All right, Titans, to take advantage of this free test prep through Naviance, what you do is you go to naviance.com. Then you'll go ahead and click Sign In. Obviously, you're a student, so you'll click Students and Families. Since I went directly to naviance.com, it asked me for my zip code, which is 68046. I can then select Papillion La Vista South High School. Your email, if you're a student, will be like 9876543@paplb.org. And then you'll log in with your password. So just your school email, whatever your student ID number is, at paplb.org. And then your password, which your password for Naviance is the same as the password for your email, the same as it is to log on the computer. Now I have created a fake account here. So I will just go ahead and log in that. So as you can see, I've logged in to naviance.com. Now, what we're focusing on here in Naviance is the free test prep that is available to you. And this is a heck of a deal. This does require a subscription, but the district has paid for your subscription. So what you're going to do on the left-hand side, under Resources, you're going to go ahead and click Naviance Test Prep. Once you click the Naviance Test Prep, it will then ask you for a testing date. What you're going to do is you're going to put in your testing date, and hopefully you've seen all the signs up around school. You were visited by an administrator in class, and you know that your test date is April 19th. So a screen will come up and say, when is your test date? Type in April 19th, 4/19/2017. And then after you put in that test date, it'll give you the screen that you see here, which for me it says 78 days until my test date. So I can go ahead and get started with my Naviance test prep. So it says get the most out of your Naviance test prep, and you can go ahead and click that, and there'll be some options there. Probably the option you're going to want to take advantage of the most over here on the left hand side is practice and tests. So what you can do is you can click practice. It'll have all the sections that are on the ACT. It has English, it's got math, reading, and science, and then math skills review. I mean, there's just a lot of review here that will benefit you for the ACT. So what we recommend is that you set a little bit of time aside, a couple days a week, and you get in here and you do some practice. We will be able to see how much you're practicing, and we will reward you for that practice. So we will be giving away some prizes for your participation in this, because this is going to be something that helps you. So here, as you can see, for tests, there's a diagnostic test, there's practice test 1, practice test 2, practice test 3. So there's tests you can take for extra practice. For example, I'll show you what practice test 1 looks like. It's got all the sections, so you can go ahead and start test, and you can do, it says here this is a full-length practice ACT test, so you can go ahead and click Start Test, and you can hop in and do practice ACT testing. So this is a great opportunity. This is a program that costs money, and we've, as a district, have paid for it for you. So we really want you to take advantage of this great free opportunity. This is worth more than a free donut or a free Slurpee or a free smoothie, because if you practice here, you can raise your score. And as we talked about in class, scores can mean admittance into college. It can mean scholarships. So there's a great opportunity for you here with this free test prep from Naviance.